Hello, today we're going to be having a game of Scoot. Well, let's get started. What's your set?
I don't know, just a J-hop side bunny hop. J-hop side bunny hop. Yeah. Try to do my set.
No, my set.
Or it's your set. Yeah, your set. Okay, go. 180. Okay, I'll do 180. Okay, do 180. Okay, my set, my set's the, manual sweep. No, that's sweep. Manual sweep. Yeah. Okay, you're set. You're set.
I'm recording, Devin.
Don't record Devin, record you.
Okay, go.
Ooh.
No, you're the camera holder. Okay, go. Okay, I'll do funny.
Who's Jay? Your set.
My set, Devin,
Hold it properly like this, Devin. I
I'm
want
gonna
it to
jump.
jump.
I'm gonna do like the,
No, don't do it like that. Turn it up.
J-pop twinkle stick. Oh, shit. I gotta redo that. Redo it. Redo. Okay, here it goes. Okay, I can't do it over that, but whatever.
Here goes Bradley on his set.
Here goes Brad. Okay, I'll do it. I know that. You still get to do another set. I just gotta redo it. Okay. I did my. Now your set.
The nice scooter though. Yeah, and look at that scooter. They're both really nice. Getting onto the scoot.
Do like I'm a very. Just kidding. I'm doing a bride. 180. Okay, go. 180. Brad's gone in for 180. Okay. Oh, here I go for Brad's 180. He said I had to do. Okay, here's my set. Here I'm a scoop. Just fake bride. Fake bride. Watch out. I need to.
See that fart? It's nasty.
Okay, fake bride. You're starting as a bride. Not really. I know. Okay, here. Now me and Brad are gonna switch scooter.
Because this one is mine.
Yeah, look at that bad boy.
Okay, roll
That's
out.
my scooter.
I'll do roll out. Brad. Okay.
You guys are too close. You guys gotta back up a bit.
You do roll out like this, Brad. You don't go up and go like this. You go like this.
Here, why don't I grab my old scooter and all three of us can have a little game scoot.
That's scooter roll out. Where is your old scooter? I'll video you guys. Okay, go, Dev.
I'll have a game.
Okay, let's see the video.
Okay, and